Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13F, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and let me quickly go back to the general list. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Then let's tap on backup and reset, and here we have to enter reset phone. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset network and Bluetooth settings. So let's tap on it, and we have to verify our identity, so you can either use the password or fingerprint or whatever. And your device will ask you if you really want to do it. So just tap on reset and wait a second until you'll see the relevant information. It's right here, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.